Hey everyone, this is going to be my exam mini video. I chose prompt 2 this time, so let's go. So I chose to do wolves for my organism, and the 3 traits for those wolves are going to be fur color, which they can be white or black, and then eye color, so blue or yellow, and then disposition, which is going to be friendly or aggressive. So I drew this out, and the parents are going to be 2 different purebred chromosomes. So this one's going to have a big B, a little Y, and a big F, and then the same on the bottom chromosome. And then this parent is going to have a little b, a big Y, and a big F, and the same on the bottom chromosome. And they're going to be crossed. Here are the phenotypes. So yeah. So when you cross them, this is what you're going to get. It's going to be a heterozygote. And on the chromosome, the genotype is going to be big B, little y, little f, and then big B, big Y, big F. And the phenotype is going to show all the dominant traits. So black fur, yellow eyes, and a friendly disposition, because there's a big B, a big Y, and a big F in the genotype. So this is going to be the map for the heterozygous individual. As you can see, we've got the big B, little y, little f, big B, little b, big Y, big F, and the confidence coefficient is right here. So then next we're going to have our table of progeny. This is only half the table of progeny. We're covering no crossing over and double crossing over on this table. And here are the calculations for the probability of getting a no crossing over in this genotype. It's going to be the same for the other no crossing over genotype, and then we've also got these probabilities down here. Now we've got the second part of the table, so the single crossover 1 event and single crossover 2 event. We got the probability calculations right here. Again, these are the same because it's going to be the same probability to get a single crossover for each of these genotypes. So now this is the calculations for getting a single double crossover gamete and a single crossover 1 gamete. And basically all we did to modify this was, instead of doing just DCO, we multiplied it times a half for both of them to get 1 double crossing over and single crossing over gamete. There's my picture references. Thank you, and go Wolfpack!